Usman tuiba eko tikiro bajja kuba tractor
District ya Hoima ekatunga tractors ibiri emwe omunyishenjerokazi akagihereza ekigombe ky'abakazi rero endiijo bagihereza eminyeeto omu district egi abakakiiko k'eminyeeto kebembirwe Kenneth Korecha batwire bino butikirizingana na mukuru w'entebe ya kataano Uthman Mubarak aha muntu noha oshemerire kureberera Karachiteegi chairperson hamwe na Nenganzi Hanga bakikirizingana ngu Karachiteegi eshemerire kurebererwa akakiiko akatorinwe abeminyeeto okuruga aha ndengo ezegomborora kutari kugihereza abakakiiko aka district akeminyeeto okusharamu oku kukakora bitwatwireho okutungana obukumu hamwe na n'obutikirizingana bari kugira ngu abeminyeeto n'akakiiko kaabo kakandi kaza kutwariza ku tractage karemwa na n'okugikozesa aha projects z'eminyeeto eyabirine kukora
minyeeto abakira bajoining opposition abawema district habokuba nibatekereza government tebafiireho nibatekereza government ebarekerire but yet projects nyingi zebayina nka Hoima district bayitowe batazifunamu habokuba aba leaders babo abamu babaye bintu nibabitunda kandi bimwe babiyekogeza projects nyingi z'abayitse bayitanu zebayina bayitubena kibamanyire actually kurugaba bakoma bakataga batakayikaraga ninyunya sokerejo eri kubeta kubayikariza
bingi bituboyine nebitulabamu yeme bayire niba for example nka Kabale nibagamba bakwenda ba use chairpersons bagende kurangura cyonga nibatekamo bacupa ntusigara itutagenzera nosanga NGOs nzijyanze kwenda ba use nibatekamo abantu bandi tutalo so next twikakujwa
Erizoba polisi yajemeserezibwa kutera omwika ogurikuriza misho okutatanisa eminyeeto yabeine ekiniga ky'amaani eri kujunana chairperson hamwe na n'okusharamu okwakozirwe Enganzi Hanga hamwe na chairman Kenneth Korecha uri kansara ow'eminyeeto aha district yakwatwa hari kugezaho kurwanisa chairman w'entebe ya kataano omu mukoro ogwo kuherezayo tractage
Even you reported at police. Yes. Why can't you follow the order?
Biritu aha police post eya Kasingo Korecha yashoborora ngo akakiiko ka district ni karwanira tractage ngo abo kwebiragiro nibihweraho aha minyeeto na nakakiiko kabo.
When we caused an alarm, he divided the plan of causing chaos and making sure the youth council is divided. So again, you went to the youth chairpersons. Yes, some county chairpersons, which apparently the legal entity, that's the youth council. Now, which legal mandate does some county chairpersons have to sue in case the tractor gets lost? It is because it's giving him air. Afterwards, he will retract the tractor to his own things. For us to go to know about his motive. And when we told him to register the tractor be handed over to the legal entity that takes the Hoima district youth. The man refused. We reported him, Uthman, for stealing the district tractor. This tractor has got a loss for a month until when he went to police. When he went to police for him to do what? Then that's when he produced the tractor.
Uthman Mubarak ari kugambaho na n'eminyeeto yajumirira omuringo gw'abantu barenu bakozesa eminyeeto okugira ngo abase kumurwanisa nk'omuringo gumwe ogwo kumeremesa omu by'obutegeki.
Kujumira muno abantu abama bakuhemba omuliro mba yusi ijoeza bere hano nali batabulikira abamuteeka mu sente kuorganizinga akavuyo kano niko spreading engambo ngu chairman LC5 district ekozereki emulemere kugezaho kukora abandi omuhanda gwa polipo.
Michael Chakashari Muramira oriho muhwezi wa RDC ho Hoima yagira ngo byona biretwaho obworo oburi mu minyeeto.
What brings fights is poverty. Obunaku. Omuntu bokuwe na kasente ka omusawo, you don't come to fight over a tractor. This tractor is for all of you.
Yahiga akakiiko akatorinwe okureba ngu bayoreka amaranga sente ezibarayihe omu tractage.
Managing a tractor every year you must be put to test. Muraba mukozire kubi baba hiyo bateka abandi.
Na wanyuma tractage yahibwayo ahari ba chairpersons abari kwebembera emyeto aha rurengo orwegomborora.
Abasigazi ba Hoima district kwenda kutwara omukisha guno habwa government okubaha tract eno ebahirwe government of Uganda egende ebakorere emirimu eyokulima n'okurwanisha enjara kandi n'okutunga akasente mu nsawo.
Amakuru aga gashakwa gadasaba.